Hello everyone, I'm Sunju. Today we're going to do an easy and rewarding no-sew project. Thank you so much for being part of this creative sewing journey with me at Fashion Wonder. I wanted to do something a little different this time, so I learned how to make a beaded bag from scratch. Susan Alexandra has encouraged the latest bead bag trend by designing so many fun and unique beaded bags. Her beaded bag reminds me of the eclectic 90s style colorful beaded bags and clutches. These beaded bags are one of a kind and ready for any season. In total, this bead bag has over 1,500 beads. I included all the measurement for this bag and exact material list in the description below. No worry, if you never beaded before, neither had I, it's actually not that hard. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make a beaded bag from scratch. As always, if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY tips and refashion hacks. Let's get started! For this beaded bag tutorial, you need 0.45mm clear beading thread, 1,000 pieces of clear 8mm rondelle crystal beads, and I also used 900 pieces of assorted colored 8mm rondelle crystal beads. So I highly recommend organizing the beads by color before starting the beaded bag. For this beaded bag tutorial, I assembled 9-inch bead straps ahead of time that included rows of 3. Each 9-inch strap had 55 beads total. In addition, I also assembled 3-inch bead straps for the sides that included 13 beads total. I pre-made 9 straps of 9 inches and 6 straps of 3-inch clear beads. For the colorful stripe pattern straps, you need the same size long and short bead straps. Decide on your own personal pattern and then assemble 10 colorful 9-inch bead straps and also 10 matching 3-inch bead straps. To make a 3-inch bead strap, cut a piece of beading thread that is about 12-inch long and begin by sliding 3 beads through the thread. Next, grab another bead and slide each end of the thread through the opposite bead holes to make a crisscross. Pull the ends of the thread tight so that the beads land in the center of the bead cluster. Again, place one bead on each end of the thread and finish with the third bead crisscross threading. Continue this beading pattern to make a long and short clear straps. To make colorful stripe pattern straps, cut the beading thread and slide through your colored beads. You will crisscross thread the center colored beads. Then repeat the same outside pattern. After you finish making long and short, clear and colored stripe straps, it's time to connect them all together. We will attach all of the bead straps together using a connector row. Grab the colored beads for the connector row and a 24 inches piece of beading thread. I used green colored beads to connect this row. First, thread one bead and place it in the center of the thread. Next, thread one end of the thread through the first bead hole of the top strap and the other end of the thread through the first bead hole of the bottom strap. Then, cross-thread a connector bead by sliding each end of the thread through opposite bead holes to make a crisscross. Again, thread one end of the thread through the second bead hole of the top strap and the other end of the thread through the second bead hole of the bottom strap. Continue cross-threading a connector bead and then repeat this pattern until you meet at the end of the bead strap. Simply tie 3 to 4 knots to end the thread and cut with the scissor. My pattern includes 3 clear bead rows followed by 3 color bead rows in a single stripe pattern. To join the front and side panels together, use the same connector bead and cross-threading technique to follow the stripe pattern down the side of the bag. This pattern repeats down the entire bag. Again, finish by tying 3 to 4 knots and remove any extra thread with scissors. The base was made with 3 separate 9-inch bead straps made with clear beads. The bead straps were connected using clear beads to make a large rectangular base. Attach the base of the bag by cross-threading clear connector beads and joining the sides of the bag to the base. Finally, let's make handles. Start by finding the center point of the bag opening. Thread through a single bead from the bag opening to start the beaded bag handle. Then, add 1 clear bead to each end of the thread and finish by cross-threading a colored bead in the center. You can make the beaded bag handle all clear or even use double colored beads and single clear beads in the center, and then enjoy your fun new colorful beaded bag. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed this beaded bag tutorial. If you appreciated this beaded bag tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun and exciting DIY projects. Please share your beaded bag designs on Instagram and hashtag #MakeWithFashionWonder. I'd love to see how they turn out. Do you have any no-sew project that you would like me to try next? Share your ideas in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!